Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start with you a new topic, negative and positive sentences. As we have learned from the last class that sentences are of four kinds: assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. And in the last class, we have focused on the two kinds. Those are assertive, which is also known as statements, and interrogative, which is also known as questions. But in this class, we will focus on the two kinds of assertive sentences. Those are positive and negative sentences. So, what is an assertive sentence? As we know, an assertive sentence is also known as a statement. And a statement is a sentence that states something or tells us something. Therefore, a statement has two kinds: positive and negative sentences. A positive sentence is a sentence which conveys or tells us something that has actually taken place or that is true in nature. Example, I am well. This is a statement which is true in nature. But what are negative sentences? Negative sentences are just opposite of the positive sentence. A sentence that states something which is not true or incorrect. Now, this type of sentences generally use words such as no, not, never, none, nobody, and no one. While changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence, we have to put a not after the helping verb. Now we know what are helping verbs. We have already done in the last class. So if we compare the example with the positive sentence and the negative sentence, so in the positive sentence we have written I am well, but in the negative sentence we are using a not just after the helping verb am. So it becomes I am not well. While changing positive sentence to negative sentences. So while changing positive sentence to negative sentences, we have to use do, does, and did. When to use do, does, and did? When in a sentence we will not find a helping verb, we will use do, does, and did with a not to change the positive sentence into a negative sentence. And as we know, do and does we have to use with present tense of the verb, and did we have to use with past tense of the verb. To change a positive sentence into a negative sentence, we will use not with do, does, and did. And in a sentence, not will be followed by do, does, and did. So if we can take the example, I drink milk. This is a positive sentence. But when we are changing the positive sentence into a negative sentence, we are adding do. I do not drink milk. Why we are adding do? Because as we know, the rule of do, does, and did, do and does we have to use with present tense. How we will know that this sentence is a present tense? Because drink is in the present form. So it is a present tense sentence. And why we have used do? Because as we know, with I, we, you, and all the plural nouns, we have to use do. So the negative sentence will be I do not drink milk. And not is placed just after the do, does, and did. So I do not drink milk. There are some exceptions also. So in some sentences, subject is not mentioned. In that case, we have to consider the subject as you. I think you have already done subject and predicate. In that chapter, you have done that if there is no subject, we have to consider that you is the subject in that sentence. So therefore, as we know, while changing from positive to negative sentence, we have to use do with you. So we have already learned this rule that with you, we have to use do. So see the example, play in the sun. It is a positive sentence. So how can we do it negative? We have to put a do just before before the sentence. Do not play in the sun. So I hope all of you have understood this. We can also change the sentence from negative to positive. See the example. She did not paint the picture. This is a negative sentence because it contains not. But I have changed it to positive. She painted the picture. So how did we understand that we have to use the past tense of the verb? Because in the negative sentence it is used did. So did is, as we know, did is always used with past tense. So she did not paint the picture. If this is the negative sentence, we have to change it to positive, that she painted the picture. I hope all of you have understood this chapter, but if you have any doubt regarding this chapter or this video, please do write in the comment box with your name. Thank you, students.